First I'm taking off the 1/8 inch bit here, and now I'm going to take off the 1 inch bit that's severely dull. And what I have to do here is, do a little bit of surgery here to kind of dig out the ground glass so that I can get the Allen wrench in there. And this one is the wrong size for that. So we'll get this one out. Okay, now that one's off, and now I need to get the some Vaseline on here. You put a little bit of Vaseline on the shaft so that it won't stick. Petroleum jelly.
Allen wrench.
This was screwed almost all the way in. It was pretty far in there. Okay, now you see, I'm just pushing it down to where it's just a little bit lower than the grinding surface.
About how many surfaces are there?
Three or four. Depends on how well you line it up. Okay, now that is right on there. And now I can put the 1/8 inch bit back on. And this one, okay, and I think I'll plug it in and give it a test. This is a okay, looks beauty.